Now we got stupid shit like, oh, everybody want to be on Demon Time. Everybody want to be on Demon Time.
Got stupid shit like, oh, everybody want to be on Demon Time. Everybody want to be on Demon Time.
You see the dumb shit I'm talking about? When do we get it together? Demon Time is getting everybody shot. Demon Time got mothers burying their kids. And who winning off of really? Who really winning off of the Demon Time though? Who winning? Cause it sure hell ain't us. Takeoff. When do we stop? Cause Takeoff basically got taken off this earth for nothing. They cooked Takeoff, man. They cooked him. You seen it? We got the media. It's right in your face. Google, YouTube. Go ahead, take a bite out of crime. Go take a bite out of crime. Nobody don't want to learn nothing, but we can take a bite out of crime, right? Ghetto. What it do? What it do? What it do? What it do? Yo. My condolences, man. My condolences go out to Offset and Takeoff and Quavo, Migos family, man. Migos peoples, Migos friends. The people that was actually there for they come up. And they just pop up. But let me tell y'all this, right? Matter of fact, let me spark up on that note. Where do we go? What do we do? It's no way we get rich, right? We get rich and we just like to do poor things. We love stupid habits, man. Gambling is a habit. The same way I smoke bud and weed is a habit. It's things in our life that we actually form and turn into habits. We create these habits. We create these bad energies and we put these bad energies in front of us and we don't even know it. I don't got time to be playing dice, man. We in a casino, that's different. It's a time and it's a place for everything. Hood activity it's gonna remain hood activity. And I don't understand why we can't get that. I want all the youngins to take a look at what just happened, right? I want y'all to understand what just happened, right? We talk about somebody we never hear about. We never hear about Takeoff doing nothing in the industry. We talking about somebody quiet. We talking about you could be a fly on the wall. Pardon me. You could be a fly on the wall and still get hit with a fly swatter. Are y'all understand what I'm telling you? You could be a fly on the wall, right? And still get hit with a fly swatter. Don't think that you could be cocky and ease your way out of a stupid situation that you can't control. You can't control hood behavior. And it's sad because, right? It's how we grow up. It's where we come from. Let's just think about it. When you a basketball player, football player, somebody in the sports field, you gotta graduate. Before you make money off of playing sports, doing what you like to do, doing the things you like to do, you have to at least graduate. If I'm not mistaken, LeBron was the last to come from high school. Now you gotta have 2 years of college. So when they come and they snatch these rappers, right? They be 13, 14, 15, 16 rapping. They know nothing. All they have is talent. All they have is talent. They're giving them all this money. And some of these people, right, know what they doing. They know that the individual that's in front of them It's coming from the worst of the worst of the worst circumstances, man. It's coming from the worst places. How do we understand that when we make this money to get out of these situations? Not to say, you know what, let me bring myself down and start playing dice. Why? Because I got a dice habit. I got a gambling habit. We all got problems. Yo, man, we got to come together as people, man, and understand, man, that money is like air, man. It's a tool for you to breathe. And if we going to use our tool to be laid up in the hood doing nothing, we just love the ghetto. We just like hood antics. We just like doing hood things, like, because we just can't let go. This is where we come from. So we just got to stay like that. We just got to be millionaires, and we got to love the ghetto. We got to love the hood. We come together and say it's stupid. When do we all come together? When do the entertainers come together and say, you know what? It's a wrap. It's weird, man. We got to come together and understand stupidity. It's stupidity, man. There's a lot of situations, man, that's right now that's going on in this world that we can avoid. And it just seemed like these entertainers, man, these rappers, definitely, especially these rappers, they targets, they know they targets, and they just love doing, like, they love doing hood. How do we stop? How do we switch the brain to do something else, man? How do we change mindset? I used to shoot dice in the hood. I don't do it no more. I host my own dice games, right? Amongst the people I love, right? And rich people, because I'm rich, right? Because the only thing a poor person could do if you was come up, or you gonna take his life from him, he ain't gonna have nothing, and he gonna kill you anyway. This happens everywhere. This happened to Takeoff. That's what I mean about the hood. Let the hood be the hood. Let the hood do what the hood gonna do. You can change yours. Why not, man? You got the money to do things that you like to do, and you want to do that instead of... There's ways of doing things, man. If you got the habit, there's ways of doing the things you like to do, man. Yo, man, rest in peace to Takeoff, man. It's just sad, man. It's sad, yo. It's sad.